everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the basic single chain bracelet. Okay, so to get started, lay out your bands in the order you want them to. I am using rainbow color because rainbow looks super nice. And it will help you to remember it and less difficulty will be there. So I will be showing you everything step by step. You will not need to pause anything. So lay out your first band on your two pegs and get it in the shape of an 8 or an infinity sign. Once you're done with that, take the second band and lay it on top of the first band. And now you will have two bands that will look like this. Now take your crochet hook and put the first band over the other on both sides. Take the third band and do the same with the second band. Put it on top of the third band. And after you repeat this a few times, you will see that your single chain bracelet will start to look like a bracelet. So now that you have three, I'm just going to repeat this until the ring is made. I'm making the ring because I don't want the video to be too long or else you'll get bored. And so just continue doing what I'm doing. You can even make a bracelet out of this. It's totally your wish. So we just have two more bands to go. Actually, you just have to make it the size of your finger or your wrist, whatever you want you're making it to. Okay, so take your last band and put the second last band on top of the first band like you did before. And now if you want to end this ring, you need to first take an S clip and put it on the last band, which is the red band. You can use an S clip or a C clip, whatever you have. So stretch the two bands on your fingers and take the S clip and tie it on the end. So now you have to take your last band, which is the pink band or whichever color you're using, and put it on one peg. So you have one band laid on two sides on one side of the peg. And now you have to attach the other side of the S clip to the last band, and voila! You have your ring. I hope you're feeling really happy. I hope this helped you. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.